Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to open this big package I got from Rose. You know her channel, guys, Crafty Barbie 86. She is awesome, and she sent me winnings from a giveaway that she held and some other special goodies because she wanted to send me something, and then I just happened to win her giveaway. So now I got a giant old box, and I'm so excited to get into this. Before I get started, I just want to ask you guys, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So you guys, life has been so crazy for me between work and just at home. I haven't opened this package and it has been here for a couple of weeks. So I feel sorry about that, Rose, but I've been uninspired to get in front of the camera much lately. So let's see, guys. This is what it looks like inside. The first thing is this card, guys, and I think the image is so amazingly cute. And it was, I guess, from a card, and what a cute idea to save the front and reuse that pretty image to give somebody else a card. And you could even add this to your planner. You could cut her out. And she wrote, "Congrats on your winnings. I hope you enjoy your happy mail. Thanks for all the love and support." So, how very cute. So I'm gonna be taking things out just one by one. I don't know what was from the giveaway, and I don't know what was just because she wanted to send me something. So this is a really cute wooden box, guys, and what she did was cover it, and don't worry, I could fix anything that got mushed up. She covered it with this adorable little paper here, and then she painted on these sides here, she added the pom-pom trim and the hello. And inside are these really cute mini, like, traveler's notebooks. And I remember she created these and shared them. So it's like an acetate or a vinyl cover, guys. And she has these adorable papers here. And you could add your own little papers inside to make the traveler's notebook and make it a little notepad for inside your purse or your work bag or anything you're on the go for. And this is the other one. Very, very cute, guys. Super adorable, and I could definitely use these for sure. So it goes back like this, and this is so cute. I could put other stuff in here. Next up is a loaded little envelope, guys. How cute is this? I love the paper, and inside she gifted me some of her cotton candy packages that she's made. And I've seen her make these. I've never tried it, to make this fluff stuff. How cute is that cotton candy? I love all these cute little goodies. Actually, I thought this was, oh no, it is. This is separate. It's a bag topper on top of these cute bows, guys. So she made crepe paper rosette and added a little donut sticker. And these bows are so cute, guys. I love them. Love them. I have the Cricut Maker, and I find that it does not do well with these tiny little cutouts and little holes to look like stitching and whatnot. So thank you for these, Rose. And then also inside, there's another cotton candy. These are just too cute, too cute. This one has the yellow. So I got two little cotton candies. And then she has, what else is in here? This is, oh my God, the miniest little chapstick I ever did see. I don't know where she got it, but I never saw it. And it is so cute. It is so tiny. I never seen one so tiny, so that's good. And then she made me, oh, cute little embellishment add-ons. I think you could just cut them out, and then I would have the sequins and her little embellishment to add to any project already made. Very cute way to package it, because sometimes it's hard to figure out what to do with these things. And then she gave me this mask duo. This is a clay mask, and it's a eucalyptus. So it says it will refresh skin, and it has charcoal also down here, and that one will unclog pores. Perfect for the summer and all of the heat and sweat we do. Next up, she gave me some of these, what do you call them? Magnetic bookmarks. And there's 3 of them, super adorable. She also made some little bows out of tulle here. So this one's black, white, and pink, and she put it on this really pretty paper here, and I could definitely use her bag topper again, so that's awesome. Next we have whatever is hidden inside this pink tissue paper. Let's see what we got. Oh, how cute. Rose loves Hello Kitty, and actually so do I. I have a few Hello Kitty things myself. This, I remember, I think it's for headphones. And I'm gonna use this to put little crafty items in. I absolutely love Hello Kitty. It's always been my favorite too. And I have a few things from when I was a child still, Hello Kitty. Then she made, let's see, I guess it's an embellishment book here, guys. And she made it with, again, vinyl on the front. This pretty gorgeous girl. I think that's the gorgeous girl. I love it, actually. And when you open it on up inside, she gave me another little cotton candy, and this one has little sprinkles on it, and those are all little heart-shaped sequins. A pretty little bow here. And how cute, guys. I guess, is that Dora the Explorer? I don't know. I'm so bad with knowing things. So she made cute little pages, and all of these embellishments I could reuse on something, which I have trouble doing. Hey, beautiful, this pretty girl here, and very, very pretty. And then she gave me some of her sequin mixes here, and she stitched them all up real cute in the vinyl to make a package. Love it, love it, love it. Next we have this pouch here, and I'm pretty sure this was part of the giveaway because I know this is a planner pouch that her mom has created, and I love it. She's shared other ones before. I think it's crocheted. It might be knitted, but I think it's crocheted. I don't really know. Those are 2 things that I never mastered. I've crocheted and knitted a sweater and a scarf or so, but not a sweater, a blanket. But mine doesn't come out like that, my blanket, and it's super comfy, but it's a little off, so I never mastered that hobby. So let's see what we got going on inside here. But you guys have to admire this cute little planner pouch, and you could use it for whatever you want, and I love it. And I'm gonna treasure this, so that is amazing. And here is one of those little, they look like little popcorn holders. And I think everything has fallen out. There's nothing in here. This is just filler tissue paper. And I love how she used this image on here and all this pom-pom trim throughout everything. So look at this tag. Look at the cute girl and the handbag. Love that. She's so into the girly things, and I love the girly things, guys. So this makes me smile for sure. And she gave me 2 little straws here, and she made, this is like a banner. It's attached. Cute. And you could add this to a project for somebody, or you could take it off and use everything alone. So those are the straws, and she used some twine and added the pom-poms. Very, very adorable. And over here, she made little washi banners. I love it. You could add this to so many projects. And she did actually make me a little memory decks card. I already have one from Rose, but I'll probably just add her info. I don't like to reuse memory decks cards people create me for others. I just like to keep them for myself. And I love this one. It is so cute and girly, and I love the banner. I love the hearts. I just love it, love it. This is another cute project she shared a while back. This is like a little fencing and another cute embellishment. These are all great inspiring ideas to create things to add to your stash. And here's a cute little hearted paper clip for my planner. And now what we got, oh, I almost missed one of these little straws with the pom-pom, and this one she made into a little flag banner. Oh, and let me not forget, she added little sequins, so it girls everything up to add sparkle. And then the last thing in here is a purse, guys. Look at this pink purse. I gotta fix the angle so you can see it. This is a closer look at the bag, guys. It is this pretty pink color, and it is giant inside, so you could use this for lots of different things. I might use this for my planner and to keep my journal in and travel like that. This is beautiful color for summer, even for spring. And I love the details. Look at the side. It has like the patent leather type of pink, and the chain is going through these little loops here, and I think the chain is beautiful. This is my favorite part of the bag. Look at the strap. It has the little leather, you know, the faux patent leather going through, and it's just super cute, guys. So let me know what you think. All right, guys, that's it for today. That was my winnings and my gift from Rose, Crafty Barbie 86. You guys probably know her. If you don't, her channel's linked down below, and I really hope you guys go by. You won't be sorry. She is so much fun, and if you're a planner girl, Dollar Tree girl, she does it all and then some. So that is it for today. Please comment down below. As always, I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.